I believe today is a wonderful time to be in the auto repair industry. Cars are getting older. Vehicle demographics, so the average age, and this is going up all the time. So as we speak, the average age of the vehicle on the road today is 12.8 years, and that's the average. Cars are much older than that. Think about that. When I first started in business, I don't think we could get a car to last 12 years. They were a pile of rust. But cars are lasting longer and longer. People are hanging on to cars more and more. I've been in this business over 35 years. I've been through recessions. We've been through a lot of different challenges. We've been through cash for clunkers, and the list goes on and on. But there's always great opportunities in the auto repair business. So it's a wonderful time to be in the auto repair business. Let's talk about the mileage. I know the manufacturers say the average miles driven are about 12,000 miles per year. That's on average. Now some folks, a whole lot more. And of course, we've got those little old ladies that just cruise back and forth to church. I suppose they would be a little bit underneath that. But on average, 12,000 miles a year. Now just do the math. I've already told you the average age of these vehicles are 12.8 years. Do the math. It shows 153,600 miles per car on average when they reach that 12.8 years old. So it's a huge opportunity. Why is the mileage so important? Because there's a lot of high mileage service needs. Let me ask you a question. I know the average age of those cars coming into your shop because I've witnessed it. Cars are getting older, the mileages are increasing. How many of those cars require some serious maintenance? How many of those cars are running around, say, with the timing belt that needs to be replaced? Has the original hoses on it, or maybe the original spark plugs? So you can see the bottom line here is customers need work done. They have to hang on to their vehicles. The average price of a new car, I believe, is approaching almost $50,000. With interest rates and all of that, it makes sense for customers to repair their cars. It's one hell of an opportunity.